All right, let us consider the definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So this is the most common definition of matter. We always say that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Though at times we always say that matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. Now, these two definitions are good, but the first one is more accurate. Why? Because the mass of a body is the same everywhere. It doesn't change. The definition of mass is that mass is the quantity of matter present in a body. So everywhere a body is carried to, so it will always have mass. But the issue of weight is not the same everywhere. It changes from place to place. And you get to a point out of space where you will not even have weight at all. That is, when a body is carried into the space, it will lose its gravitational attraction because weight is the measure of gravity, is the measure of the pull of gravity on the body. That is the measure of gravitational attraction on a body or measure of force of gravity on the body. So when a body is carried into the space, there will be no gravity acting on that body again. So in that case, are we going to say that that body is no longer a matter? It is still a matter. So that is why this second definition is not very accurate everywhere. But the first definition is acceptable everywhere. Whether you are in the Earth's surface or on the Earth's surface or you travel out of the Earth's surface into space, so you are still a matter. So in short, that first definition is more general than the second definition. Now, considering the definition of matter, that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, we understand that everything in the world is a matter. So far, they have mass and they occupy space. Now, if they ask you to give examples of matter, you yourself, you the listener that you are listening and watching this video, my viewer, you are a matter. Look around you. Everything you have around you is a matter. You have a roof around you. You have the earth's surface around you. You have electricity around you. You have living things around you. You have non-living things around you. You have the chair, table. Everything is a matter. So far, they have mass and occupy space. So let's consider the written examples on them. So now consider these examples that we have on the board. Number one, we have sand. Sand is a matter. In short, everything in this life is a matter. So far, it has mass and occupies space. Sand is one of them. Stone is a matter. Water is a matter. Air, even the air that we breathe in is a matter. Even flame, fire is a matter. Plastic is a matter. We have plants. Plants are also matters. We have animals. Animals are matter. Even human being. It means you that you are viewing this video, you are also a matter. In short, everything in this life is a matter. So that is just about the concept of matter, and we have given the definition and some of the examples of matter. In short, just know that everything in this life is a matter. Thank you for viewing this. God bless.